Hello everyone, welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to create a helix in AutoCAD software. First, let us discussing about what is helix and what is the use of helix in AutoCAD software. The helix tool is used to create a 3D helical curve. To generate a helical curve, you need to first specify the center for the base of the helix. Next, you need to specify the base radius and also specify the radius at the top of the helix and height of the helix. A helix of converging or diverging shape can also be generated by specifying different values for the base and top radius. You can also control the number of turns in a helix and specify whether the twist will be in the clockwise direction or counterclockwise direction in AutoCAD software. In AutoCAD software, for creating helix, we are using a command that is helix. You can type helix in the command prompt, then click enter. In the command prompt, it is asking that specify center point of base. Then it is asking that specify base radius or diameter. If you know the base radius, directly you can enter the value. Otherwise, uh, you, you can choose diameter, enter, then enter the diameter value. So I know the base radius, so here I'm taking 50 base radius 50, enter. Then it is asking that specify top radius or diameter. Now I am entering top radius, that is 100 100, enter. Next it is asking that specify helix height or axis endpoint, turns, turn height, twist. These are the different options are there. The default one is specify helix height. Here I'm taking the helix height 200 200, enter. Now I'm going to explain the remaining options. Again repeat the same command, helix, helix, enter. Specify the center point of base, then specify base radius, I'm taking 50 50, enter. Then top radius also I'm taking 50 50, enter. Then it is showing that specify helix height or axis endpoint. Now I'm choosing axis endpoint. To specify the height using the axis endpoint option by using command prompt, so enter. Using this option, you can specify the endpoint of the axis whose start point is assumed to be the at the center of the base of the helix. Apart from the specifying the height of the helix, this option is also used to specify the orientation, that means inclination of this helix. Now you can turn on this dynamic input. Now click tab button. Directly you can enter the angle value. Here it's showing 24 degrees. You can enter the angle in this box. So for example, I'm choosing 45 degrees, 45, enter. In this way, you can draw the helix by using axis endpoint. Now again repeat the same command, helix, enter. Specify the center point of the base. Specify base radius, I'm taking 50. Then top radius also I'm taking 50 50, enter. The next option is turns. To specify the number of turns in the helix, choose the turns option, T, enter. Using this option, you can change the number of turns in the helix curve. The default number of turns for helix tool is 3. You can see the command prompt, enter the number of turns, the default value is 3. You can also change the value 3 to 5 or 3 to any other number. For example, I am choosing 5. Enter the number of turns 5, then click enter button. Then also it is asking that specify the helix height. Here I am taking 350, enter. Okay, this is the way to change the number of turns in the AutoCAD software. The next one is turn height. Repeat the same command, helix, enter. Specify the center point of base, then specify the base radius. I'm taking 50, 50, enter. Top radius also 50. The next option is turn height. To specify the pitch of the helix, that means the distance between any two curves, that is called pitch of the helix. For that purpose, choose the turn height, H, enter. Using this option, instead of specifying the whole height of the helix, you can specify the height of one complete single turn of the helix. The helical curve will be generated with the total height equal to turn height multiplied by the number of turns. So specify the distance between turns. I am taking 30, 30, enter. You can see here. Just you can increase the height. In height I am taking 300, 300, enter. Based upon height, the turns also increased or reduced. The last one is twist. Repeat the same command, helix, helix, enter. Specify the center point of base. Specify the base radius. I am taking 100, 100, enter. Top radius also I am taking 100. To specify the starting direction of the helical curve, choose the twist option from this command prompt. So the shortcut key W, enter. In the command prompt, it's showing that twist direction of helix. CW means clockwise direction. CCW means counterclockwise direction. Here the default one is counterclockwise direction. If you want to change the direction, just you can enter that direction in the command prompt, or in the screen choose the CW or CCW. For example, I want to draw the helical curve in clockwise direction, choose CW. Okay, this is the way to uh, draw the helix in clockwise direction or counterclockwise direction in AutoCAD software. You can apply the remaining options also after applying this twist command. Okay, this is the way to creating a helix command, helix in AutoCAD software. I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and also share to your near and dear friends. Thank you very much.